Guess what? The moon is not round. It's actually elliptical in shape, affecting Earth's tides significantly through complex gravitational interactions daily. The moon's surface is covered with numerous craters, formed by asteroid and comet impacts over millions of years, creating a barren yet fascinating landscape slowly. Some craters are so deep that ice exists at the very bottom, despite the harsh, barren, and extremely cold lunar environment surrounding them constantly. Without the moon, Earth's axis might shift drastically, leading to extreme climate changes, creating unstable environmental conditions, and affecting global weather patterns significantly always. The moon stabilizes Earth's rotation slowly, making it habitable for diverse life forms as we know it today, with its gentle presence affecting our planet's axis. Did you know the moon is slowly moving away from Earth at exactly 3.8 centimeters per year, creating a subtle but constant change in our night sky atmosphere? This gradual distance increase between Earth and the moon means the moon's gravitational pull on our planet is weakening slowly, over a considerable period of time naturally. The moon has no atmosphere, which is why there's no sound or weather on its barren surface, making it a desolate world with extreme temperatures and no signs of life. Despite this, NASA's Lady mission discovered a very thin exosphere, a very faint atmosphere surrounding the moon, revealing new details about its fragile state. The moon's gravity is only 1/6 of Earth's. That's why astronauts can jump higher there, experiencing a surreal, weightless environment that transforms every movement. Footprints on the moon will remain for millions of years due to the lack of erosion, atmospheric conditions, and extreme environmental stability surrounding them always. The moon's rotation is synchronized with Earth, so we see the same lunar face always, experiencing subtle libration effects that reveal slightly more over time gradually. The far side of the moon, sometimes called the dark side, was completely unseen until 1959, when it was first photographed by the Soviet Union's Luna 3 spacecraft, revealing new details. The moon's surface temperature can range from 127 degrees to 173 degrees, showing extreme temperature fluctuations daily between day and night, creating dramatic thermal shifts. Lunar eclipses occur when Earth passes between the sun and the moon, casting a dark shadow on the lunar surface, creating an otherworldly atmosphere slowly. The moon has moonquakes, similar to earthquakes, caused by tectonic activity or meteorite impacts. Some scientists believe the moon could have valuable resources like helium-3, a rare isotope for potential nuclear fusion applications in the future, providing new energy solutions. Future lunar missions might establish permanent bases, potentially using the moon's natural resources for fuel production and storage, creating new opportunities. The moon's gravitational influence on Earth's oceans causes complex tidal patterns, crucial for marine life cycles and various coastal ecosystems, affecting numerous species daily. Many marine species rely heavily on the moon's lunar cycles to carefully regulate their complex breeding and feeding habits throughout their entire life. The moon's gravitational pull also affects Earth's rotation significantly, slowing it down gradually over a very long period of time naturally. This effect is why our days are getting longer, albeit very gradually, as the Earth's rotation slows down due to the moon's gravitational pull, causing a minute change. Some cultures believe the full moon can significantly influence human behavior and emotions, though this fascinating phenomenon remains unproven and mysterious still today always. The moon's phases have been used for centuries to keep track of time in various cultures, creating a rich lunar heritage that spans the globe slowly. Ancient civilizations like the Greeks and Egyptians worshipped the moon as a powerful deity, often revering its gentle light in their nightly rituals and ceremonies slowly. The moon's surface is not geologically active nowadays, preserving a detailed historical record of various asteroid impacts and craters formed over millions of years slowly. Scientists carefully study moon rocks to understand the moon's complex formation processes and the early development stages of the solar system gradually. The moon is not unique. Other planets have moons, some with their own fascinating characteristics and orbital patterns that scientists find particularly intriguing nowadays always. Jupiter's moon Europa has a subsurface ocean, potentially hosting conditions for life with its deep, icy crust and possible hydrothermal activity beneath the surface slowly. So next time you look at the moon, remember, it's not just a rock, it's a key to understanding our vast universe's many complex secrets and mysteries slowly.